Condo investing. Is it a goldmine waiting to be tapped, or are you stepping into a potential money pit? Let's demystify the ins and outs of condo investing and determine if it's the right move for you. First, let's go over the pros. 1. Prime spots. Condos often pop up in the hottest parts of town, whether in city centers, close to thriving universities, or set amidst tourist hotspots. This prime location ensures a steady stream of potential renters or buyers, keen to be right where the action is. 2. All the extras. Amenities can be a game changer. We're talking about pristine pools, state-of-the-art fitness centers, around-the-clock security, even rooftop terraces and communal lounges. These aren't just nice-to-haves. For many renters, they're the dream, offering a lifestyle that could justify a slightly higher rental price. 3. Easy living. One of the perks of condo investing is the reduced maintenance hassle. No more worrying about landscaping or dealing with external wear and tear. The HOA often handles that, leaving you to focus on the interior and your tenants. 4. Attract top tenants. The combined allure of location, amenities, and often, the safety that condos offer can draw in a particular type of renter. Think professionals, small families, or even retirees looking for a fuss-free lifestyle. These tend to be reliable, often seeking long-term leases. 5. Modern appeal. Let's face it, many condos just look slick. Their contemporary design, coupled with modern fixtures and finishes, holds significant appeal for today's renter or buyer. This modern touch can make marketing your property that much easier. Now let's go over the cons. 1. Pricey fees. Here's the kicker. While condos offer numerous perks, they come at a cost. Monthly HOA fees can be a significant chunk of change, and they're not static. They can, and often do, rise. While these fees cover maintenance and amenities, they'll undeniably impact your bottom line. 2. Rental hurdles. Freedom isn't always a given with condos. Many associations have strict regulations that either limit or altogether prevent rentals. Others cap the number of units that can be rented out, meaning you could be on a waiting list for who knows how long. 3. Less control. Owning a property typically means calling the shots, right? Not always with condos. Changing exteriors, adding unique touches, and even installing certain fixtures might be a no-go due to community guidelines. This limits how you can differentiate your property from others. 4. Potential for slow appreciation. Historically speaking, condos can lag behind single-family homes in terms of appreciation. While this isn't a hard rule, it's something to factor into your long-term investment strategy. 5. Closer neighbors. One man's perk is another's pitfall. Proximity to neighbors can be great for a communal feel, but can also lead to potential disputes or complaints. Shared walls mean shared noises after all. Closing tip. Before signing on the dotted line, do your homework. Scrutinize the HOA agreement. Is there a healthy reserve for major repairs? And don't get caught out. Ensure they permit rentals. Ultimately, the efficiency of a condo association can make or break your investment experience. Remember, every investment avenue has its ups and downs. The key is to be informed and choose what aligns best with your vision. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll enjoy this next.